Okay, so now that we have the head, let's go and find the other tag, which is the body tag. Now I said that we had to have this in here, but I don't think we really know why. So let's go here and go back, and let's see if we can find it. Now the great thing about the Mozilla site is that it has everything in alphabetical order. That's strange. It doesn't seem to have it. Let's keep searching. There it is. Alright, so the HTML body element represents the content of an HTML document. There can be only one body element in a document. Okay, well that's great to know. We know that there can now only be one of these. So if you ever make two of them by accident, it may cause some problems. So we've got that. Now we went over the H1. Those are just header tags. These are tags to determine sizes of your headings. The next one that we go through is the P tag. And the P tag is your paragraph tag, but let's just go ahead and, for exercise purposes of looking through the documentation, let's go and see the P tag. Alright, P element for an HTML paragraph element represents a paragraph of text. So here's an example. It gives you a P, you put some stuff in there, you put some other P. So now, one kind of quirky thing that is that the designers, for some reason, wanted to put Lorem Ipsum in everything, and it's the start of a pretty eclectic phrase for that started. I think it was Cicero who did it. Anyways, and so someone a long time ago decided to start doing this, and it's been a tradition among web designers to continue to do this. So let's delete these two, and let's put in a paragraph page, or a paragraph element. Now we're just going to copy and paste all those, but that's a lot. So now we have the P. We have to put a P down here, right? Now let's just see what this looks like. So we have a P here for this first paragraph, and then we don't have anything over here. So let's go ahead, my pick site. Don't forget to refresh. That's a pretty easy thing to forget. So we refresh. And look at that. So now we've got this one paragraph, but it looks like the second two paragraphs are just kind of merged together. They just do whatever they want. So that may be something that's very interesting about HTML, is that maybe it's not as space sensitive as like a Microsoft Word document. And I just mean that by the fact that you saw all those all this stuff kind of. Oh, there it is. Look at that. Now we saw it all merged together, even though there were spaces. You know, there's an enter here and an enter here. That would have registered in a normal, like a Microsoft Word document or an email. But apparently that's not the case for HTML, so that's a good thing to know, right? Now, the last thing you can do is, this is a preference of mine, is just to have the P tags before and after. You may see some people do it like this, but that's not really how I roll, and we'll get into some formatting options later on. Right now, I think this is probably just giving you enough overall of a headache, and so we'll just do some simple, what's called some spacing here. And okay, good. I got the body in there. I thought I didn't have the body. Okay, good. So that's the paragraphs, and that's the HTML. So if we save it, now we got these spaces here. Nothing changes, right? Well, because spacing isn't really that big of a deal for HTML on the backside.